Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot inside of Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. So once you open up Excel, you can go to the Insert tab here in the ribbon section. And then after selecting Inserts, go to the middle and you're going to see a section where it says Get Add-ins. After opening up Office Add-ins, go to the search bar here on the left side, then type in Copilot. Then hit Enter. Then try to install this one where it says Microsoft 365 Copilot for Finance for Microsoft. So go to the right side and then select Add. Now, once it has been added, if you go to the Home tab in the ribbon section, go to the right side, the far end, and you're going to see something which says Copilot for Finance Preview. So it says here, welcome to Copilot for Finance in Excel. Automate the reconciliation process between disconnected data sources. Go to the bottom here, then select Get Started. Now, if you want to use a preview of a sample data, you're going to go to the bottom here, then select Preview with Sample Data, and then select Data Reconciliation. So this is going to give you an example of a data table in which you can try to practice with Copilot. So here is the budget amounts, the expenditure category, there's the date, then the weekday. And it's going to tell you here that the sample data has been imported to your spreadsheet. So let's select the first option here where it says Reconcile Data. Compare your financial records. And it's going to say choose which worksheet to work with. So I'm going to use the trip budget reconcile demo, and I'm going to use the trip budget table. And the worksheet 2, I'm going to use the bank statements, then the bank statements reconcile demo, then the bank statement table. So it says here that it's going to use the trip budget table, and I'm going to select my column. So I'm going to use the date, and then I'm going to use the budget amounts for column B. Then the bank statements here, where it says bank statement table, I'm going to select transaction type. I'm going to select transaction date. Then here at B, I'm going to choose amount. Afterwards, I'm going to select next. Then it says creating reconciliation reports. But please bear in mind, there can be some errors when you're trying to use this type of Copilot within Excel. So it's going to give you like an error where it says an error occurred while reconciling the data. But there's going to be parts where it actually works. So here it is. There's the trip budget and then the bank statement. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.